Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53, and I'll show you how to customize quick launch on this device. So now by double press to the power key here on the right side of our device, we can see that I can launch the camera application. And if you want to, for example, change the camera up to another one, we should to go into the settings. After that, scroll down to the advanced features and then tap here to the side key. Here we can see that we have selected the quick launch the camera, but we can switch it to another application. So just click to open up, and now just select one from the available applications or games, for example. So we can just use the Facebook was by double press to this power key. So now just by double press we can see that we just successfully can use the Facebook application, or also we can switch it, for example, to the the contacts or to the YouTube app. And now by double press we can see that I'll just successfully open the YouTube app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.